Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, one of the most beloved and inspiring books of all time. This timeless story follows a young shepherd named Santiago on his journey to find a treasure. And along the way, he discovers life's greatest truths about dreams, purpose, and destiny. The Alchemist isn't just a story. It's a guide to understanding your own journey and unlocking your potential. It's about listening to your heart, following your dreams, and trusting the universe. Let's explore the 10 powerful lessons from this magical tale. Lesson 1. Follow your personal legend. Santiago's journey begins with a simple but profound idea. Everyone has a personal legend, a unique purpose or dream they're meant to pursue. The key is to listen to your heart and take the first step. Think of your personal legend like a star in the night sky. It's always there guiding you, but you need the courage to leave your comfort zone and follow it. Lesson 2. The universe will conspire to help you. One of the most famous lines from The Alchemist is, "When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it." This means that when you commit to your dreams, opportunities and support will appear in unexpected ways. Imagine the universe like a puzzle. When you start putting the pieces together, you'll find that events, people, and circumstances align to help you complete the picture. Lesson 3. Overcome fear to pursue your dreams. On his journey, Santiago encounters fear. Fear of failure, fear of losing what he has, and fear of the unknown. The book teaches that fear is the biggest obstacle to realizing your dreams. Think of fear like a shadow. It looks intimidating, but when you shine light on it, it disappears. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's taking action despite it. Lesson 4. Learn from every step of the journey. In The Alchemist, the journey is just as important as the destination. Santiago learns valuable lessons from everyone he meets, like the crystal merchant, the alchemist, and even the desert itself. Imagine the journey like climbing a mountain. Each step teaches you something new about yourself, your strength, and the world around you. Lesson 5. Trust your intuition. Santiago learns to trust his intuition, which Coelho describes as the language of the soul. By listening to his heart, he navigates challenges and makes decisions that align with his personal legend. Think of intuition like a whisper in a noisy room. When you quiet your doubts and fears, you can hear it clearly, guiding you toward the right path. Lesson 6. Embrace the present moment. The book emphasizes the importance of living in the present. While Santiago has big dreams, he learns to appreciate the beauty and lessons of each moment, from tending sheep to crossing the desert. Imagine life like a river. While the destination is the ocean, the beauty lies in the flowing water, the ripples, and the journey itself. Lesson 7. Alchemy is about transformation. The Alchemist teaches Santiago that alchemy isn't just about turning lead into gold. It's a metaphor for personal transformation. By pursuing your personal legend, you transform into the best version of yourself. Think of alchemy like planting a seed. With care, it transforms into a tree, bearing fruit. Your potential is like the seed, nurtured through growth and perseverance. Lesson 8. Listen to the soul of the world. In the book, the soul of the world is a universal connection between all living things. Santiago learns to recognize this connection and align himself with it, finding guidance and harmony. Imagine the soul of the world like Wi-Fi. It's invisible, but when you're connected, you gain access to endless wisdom and clarity. Lesson 9. The treasure is within. Santiago's journey ends with a profound realization. The treasure he sought was within him all along. The journey, the lessons, and the transformation were the true reward. Think of the treasure like a map that leads back to your own heart. The journey helps you uncover your potential, purpose, and true self. Lesson 10. Share your gifts with the world. The final lesson of The Alchemist is to share your wisdom and gifts with others. Santiago's journey wasn't just for him. It was meant to inspire others to follow their own dreams. Imagine your journey like lighting a candle. When you share your flame, it doesn't diminish your light. It creates more brightness for everyone around you. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho is more than a story. It's a guide to living a purposeful, fulfilling life. From trusting your heart to embracing challenges, its lessons remind us that the journey is just as valuable as the destination. If you're ready to follow your own personal legend, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-changing lessons from amazing books. See you next time.